Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone meets the basic prerequisites: Android version, available storage, and permissions. Next, choose whether you want a live wallpaper app, a gift-to-live conversion, or a video background. Each has different battery and performance trade-offs. Once decided, download the app or file and grant the necessary permission to access storage and display over other apps. Make sure to allow installation if it's an APK, so you can proceed to set the animated wallpaper. Now you install and configure. Open the chosen wallpaper app and import the GIF or video, or pick a preset animation. You adjust playback options, looping, frame rate, and resolution, because higher frame rates increase smoothness but use more power. Then set scale and crop so the image fits your home and lock screens without awkward edges. Once configured, preview in the app to confirm motion looks natural, and make incremental tweaks to performance settings if scrolling stutters. Apply the animated wallpaper and choose whether it shows on the home screen, lock screen, or both. Once done, check how it behaves during normal use. If you notice battery drain or lag, make sure to reduce frame rate or resolution, switch to a shorter loop, or enable motion-sparing modes. These preserve battery and performance. If the animation won't apply, clear the app cache, force stop and reopen, or reinstall the app. And finally, reboot the phone to reset system services that manage wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.